Great Camden. Start of the video is gonna take a swim. Don't know if the water's cold.
Well, I won't have to feel it, hopefully.
Here he goes. He's the smartest person on earth. And guys, if he dies, this is a giveaway for his iPhone right here. It's like an iPhone 6. But yeah.
iPhone, no.
So it's a giveaway if he dies.
It's an iPhone SE anyway.
It's an iPhone SE, but if he dies, it's a giveaway. So you guys may get it. And he has Instagram. So yeah. Yeah, sure. So, I was kind of making a joke that he was going to jump in, but now he is, because he's the Great Camden. But he'll probably get in trouble.
You better give me $100 for that.
No, I'm not.
What? You said if
Catch a goldfish.
Yeah, I know.
You won't. Oh, I see one. I'm going to catch one.
Oh gosh, this thing is freezing.
I'll catch the goldfish.
It's freezing.
Where's the goldfish?
Right here.
Catch it.
It's right now.
Oh, wait, it's underwater now. Oh, crap.
It's so close to getting it. Bro, I need like a wet glove.
Oh, there.
Feel how cold the water is.
Fish. There's fish right there.
Yeah, there's tons of fish.
Right there.
Call it fish pond. Here, give me that net. My hands are freezing.
So now we'll be attempting to scoop up the fish. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you are new, hold on, Cam. I'm putting down all the stuff I have. This is Diet Dr. Pepper, his garage opener, and his iPhone SE cracker out trick.
Oh, I grabbed its tail.
Okay.
Then I'll let it go. I'm going to try catching it.
If you catch one, it's mine in my goldfish tank.
No, it's going to work on our own.
So here we are. The professional fisherman.
Oh, I got it. I had it. Did you not see that?
No, I did not.
Hey, I'm wearing my hook hat.
That's probably why.
I was so close to having it. You should have wandered around keeping it in the water. That's my technique. Oh, he's coming.
So guys, will we catch it?
I got one. I had one. I got one.
Oh, he got it. Here. Get it up.
This is my
Get it to the camera.
Woo!
Look at that little guy. Wait, hold on. I still can't see it. Here.
Woo, got him.
Look at him. Yeah, we caught that, or he caught that, and there it goes. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
Oh, hey, it's still going.
And we broke the net. Oh, wait, no, he's now got another goldfish. Oh my gosh, he's a gosh. Look at him.
Oh, God, it's this.
Now what?
That one's real gold.
Okay, now I will catch a goldfish.
How are you going to catch it?
So Camden.
So, guys, it is part 2, and we got a fish right there.
I still got one.
Oh, got him.
Oh yeah, he's talking to algae. Crap.
Hey, here, bring him to me. Look
at this fish.
We got one.
Look at that.
Here, let me hold him. Bring him to me. Hey, guys, there we go. We caught one.
Okay.
Ooh, that's a striper.
Take a photo of that. Hold on. You don't want to see it.
Yeah. Here, no, I'll send it to you.
It's like part 3 fishing.
Yeah,
Already
part
caught
3.
one. So part 2, whatever you want to call it.
You gotta beat me, and I'm already at 2. Right now, I'm in his boots, and these things feel weird.
Gotta look, but it'll probably scare it
The
off.
things we do to get a good view.
Probably like scare it off. No, it's not scared. Because hot sunlight.
Hey, why don't we clean out the pond, and then we'll come back.
Wait, I need to catch at least one more fish.
Okay, good luck.
Oh, I see it cruising.
The last one I caught such a big goldfish that it broke the net.
It's here. See it?
But it's not. Well, it's right there. It's right there. That one's probably gonna. No, it won't break the fabric. Here, I'm gonna get a different view. Coming to the waterfall, ponds it.
Got him.
Got him.
Look at this fish.
Here, give him to me.
Monster.
Give him to me. Hey, give him to me. Give him to me.
It's not a monster, but look at that, guys. Yeah.
Ooh, that one's going in the record books right there. That dude is huge.
Here we go.
Look at that dude. Guys, look at how fat he is. Hey, hold him. Whoa, whoa. Keep him in the net, keep him in the net. I got him.
There we go, guys.
Hey, guys, I'm just taking a photo of him right now.
Now it's going to be a long editing, guys, so I hope you guys like this video. I'm not checking out.
Okay, Banksy. Fish is going back in. This one is a monster. It's definitely going in the record books. He's going in the records. That's probably the biggest goldfish I've ever seen. Hey, I need to get in there on my trimmers. I need to trim some of those lily pads. Oh, he got two. He got 2 in 1 here.
I think I got the same fish.
No, you didn't. This one's probably the tiniest one. Yeah, he's tiny. He's too tiny. Ooh, we got that's the same fish. No, this one's a little bit smaller.
Okay,
yeah.
We'll go for one more at least.
Oh, bro, he's right there. He's right there.
Right there?
Yeah, he's right there. Like, I thought goldfish were hard to catch, but today I learned wrong.
They're like staying in this area. No, actually leave. Cause my hands are like freezing, but like I don't feel it. I'm used to it now.
Oh, you got a white one. Wait, that's the kingfish. Wait, here, give him to me.
This one's beautiful.
Oh, look at this one.
Take a photo. Send it to me.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Guys, look at that one. That one's not even gold. Well, it actually is gold.